Well, here we are in the forest. Right behind me over my shoulder there, you see a dead mango tree. It's a sad affair out here. Right back here is another dead mango tree. It's one of my favorites right here. This was a sweet tart. Not a whole lot of mango trees more delicious than sweet tart. Pretty sad to see it go, but such is life. So this is the beginning of a new transition out here. I promised some people I would document all of this as I go. So all this Mexican sunflower out here, the burn barrels, all of this is a memory. It worked well. It got me through. It got these trees big. I had some really nice trees out here. I'll walk over here and give you an idea of what we had going here. This is Edwards mango behind me. And if I really step into it, you can see she was solid. This is lychee. This was either Brewster or Mauritius. I don't remember which one. I planted them both out here and one died. And that was that. Right over here is lemon meringue mango. That was a BQ long again. There's just a lot of death out here. So I've had enough. It's all coming out. And I am going to plant a whole new forest out here. So I'll record what I can. I'm going to get the tractor and we're going to get to work here. A lot of things are going to come out. I'm going to flatten this whole area. That's the goal. Just completely flatten this. All the Mexican sunflowers coming out. Everything that died is coming out. This macadamia tree even got smashed. Might be alive. I might leave this for a little while and see if it can recover. But I want this. I want green. I want hardy. I want solid, strong. I want fruit producing. I don't want any more issues. I don't want to have to work my butt off. The experiments were cool, and this burn barrel thing worked really well for a long time. Until Mother Nature threw a curveball. As soon as she threw me that curveball with them 30 mile an hour wind gusts, that was that. Couldn't do it anymore. It was unsafe to light the barrels and my big trees, and that was the whole plan from the beginning, is get them big and be able to heat the entire area. And it worked. It worked amazing. These trees got huge. They took no damage through some really cold nights, but this was too much. So here we go. I'm gonna get the machine and I'm gonna get after it. And hopefully this will be a very, very beautiful thing when I am finished. See y'all in a bit. It's a large amount. Just to give you guys an idea of what I just tore out. This was an Edwards mango. This was my biggest. Get this trunk up here. Y'all can see what we're looking at. It's a pretty big tree. It's a pretty big tree. Right next to it was big lychee. It's about 15 or 20 foot tall. So I'm gonna back up here and so that was all of my mangoes, all of my lychees, my longan, star fruit, all my stuff, all my good stuff. So And look at that, my little hawk. Checking out what I'm doing here, right on the ground. Coming right at me, baby. How cool is that? Oh, I love when the hawk comes at me like that. It's great. So, the replant begins. I have a very large canvas behind me. Plenty of room. Lots and lots and lots of trees are going to be going in here. So, I'm not upset about it. I'm actually super excited because I have this huge area to reload. I was running out of room, so it's good. Right here is my big Florida Prince. In case you've been here and you know the place, there's a nursery right there. It's a driveway. Here's Big Peach. Here's the border of the property where all the bamboos are. And there's my puppy. Puppy, come say hi. Say hi, Elmo. Good boy. And so yeah, I've got all this room. Those bananas back there are also going to come out, and some of those avocados got smoked as well. That big tree right there is a big white mulberry. That one's not going anywhere. That one's been very strong and done a lot of good for me. Right there. Big pretty girl. Just got smacked on that Tuesday freeze, but look at the trunk on that thing. Give you some comparison for size. It's about 4 years old. Very happy tree. So now I have so much room. Avocado dead. Avocado dead. Bunch of avocados dead. So I have just so much playroom. I'm psyched.